Sorry to interrupt, ladies and gentlemen, but you already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy, TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. Yeah, boy.
What's up, Lowe gang?
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright.
My bad. Alright guys, so we in Laredo. This morning I delivered to Lowe somewhere else in Laredo, probably like 15-20 minutes away. Now I'm at the Laredo OC waiting on to get an inspection done on my trailer so I can get this live load done and I can get back to the crib. It's like 10:45 now, so I probably won't be out of here till noon. Yeah, probably till like noon. Probably make it up to Dallas, take my 10-hour break there, and drive the rest of the way home and get home tomorrow afternoon. Take my 34-hour reset in the crib. But like I said, right now we about to wait for this guard to come out here so I can walk up to the guard shack and check in and get my paperwork, or not get my paperwork, get an inspection done on my trailer so that we can go. Rolling. Yeah, so I got my face mask. Great thing I had it in my truck I had this mask for a while, because I used to work out in this face mask right here. So right now we waiting for the guard to get over here so that I can get into the Landstar yard, get loaded. Hopefully it's a quick load. I can make it up to Dallas, take my 10-hour break there, and get to the crib tomorrow. So I'm gonna see how once we get in the Landstar facility. Rolling.
How much does this cost? I'm asking what you have.
I bought this like last year. I don't even remember how much it cost me.
The one for the running, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make it higher breeze or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
It helps.
It helps
If you actually run.
Yeah. Alright, go for it. Go. Remember where to go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody been liking my mask. Woo-hoo. This is definitely a running mask, but I don't run. I'd be too lazy, but I'm gonna start back running, doing cardio, getting my breathing together. This definitely helps out, but this helped me out while I'm in Laredo though right now, so that we ain't gotta wear no shirt and all that BS. But we about to go check it. Rolling. Yeah.
This coronavirus stuff ain't no joke, but I'm glad everybody's taking safety precautions for this, because when I had pneumonia, I can only imagine what this coronavirus will do to us. But we about to get a door to get unloaded here at the Laredo OC. I hope y'all can hear me, because this mask ain't no joke. It's hard to breathe in this mask.
Man, it's 1:56. We've been at the Laredo yard since I think like 10:30, close to 11 o'clock. But they finally got me loaded, man. We working on our 14-hour clock. I only got about 7 hours left, so I do got time to make it over to Dallas. Probably get there like 8 something, but I'm gonna push it to get up there, because that's the only way I can get home and get my 34-hour reset, and get this load delivered on time Monday morning, because it's got to be delivered to somewhere at 5 a.m. So putting the seal on her. Oh shoot, I'm putting the seal on her. I'm gonna see y'all.
2 days later.
Alright, Roller Gang family, it's like a day later, well 2 days later I guess it'll be, because I picked up this load that we on in Laredo on Friday. It's now Monday, April the 6th. We at the Flying J in my, well, not in my hometown, but right across the bridge from Missouri, Edwardsville, Illinois. We're about to take this over to the Lowe's distribution center. This place, my appointment time is at 5 a.m. It's 4:25 now. I gotta just drop this trailer, wait for them to unload me, call me once they get done, and then go ahead and got a load I gotta pick up in somewhere else in Illinois around this area, take down to Laredo, deliver it there on Wednesday. Hopefully they get me out of here by 7. Take 2 to 3 hours. Hopefully they get me out of here by 7. If they do, then I can go ahead and go to I can deliver that Laredo load on Tuesday instead. So we'll see. But we about to get out of here, head over to the Edwardsville, well, head over to the Lowe's distribution center, and we're gonna go from there. Rolling.
Turn it to the back and you sit tight, hold tight at your truck.
A few moments later.
Alright y'all, we just made it through the guard shack down there. About to go check in here. Driver's entrance right there. You know, this is the place that I had my my trailer basically almost repoed last time. When that outside trailer maintenance place came and put a red tag on my trailer, put me out of service. This is the same place, so it's early. I know that trailer maintenance place ain't open. It don't even seem like they open yet. But my appointment's at 5 a.m. so I'm probably gonna be the first driver to get unloaded. It's just gonna be, should be quick, should be great. I don't know what time they start working, but we gonna see. Rolling. Okay. Alright y'all, so just got everything done. About to go drop my trailer in door E43. They should be done by 7, he said, which is perfect because my next load is the open window from 8 to 3 or something like that. So as soon as they call me at like 7 something, I'm gonna go ahead and what am I going? I'm trying to think and talk at the same time. I'm gonna come back and go deliver that load, but I'm probably about to go back to my house right quick. Lay down. Well, I probably can't even lay down for a couple hours. I might as well just go to a truck stop, take me a little quick 2-hour nap or something like that. I don't know, but let's go drop this trailer in E43. This is the west side, so we got to go on the other side. Rolling.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
Alright, y'all. Trailer dropped in door E43. Yeah, I can't see, it's too blurry. Trailer dropped in E43. About to head over to back over to the Flying J, park my truck over there. And then wait till they call me at 7. It's 5:05 now. 2 hours from now. So yeah. I should begin to call at 7. About to edit this video that you're currently watching right now. And then I'm gonna finish editing once we pick up the trailer and go to our next pickup. Rolling.
2 hours later.
Well, they actually just called me. Said my trailer's done being loaded. What time? It's 6:45 now. So it only took about an hour and a half, something like that, to get me loaded. I mean, get me unloaded. So I'm about to, dang man, I don't know, cause my next pickup ain't till 8. You know what? I'm gonna leave out of here at, I'm gonna go pick up my trailer. I'm gonna leave out of here at 7 a.m. I should be getting down to wherever I gotta get to by like 7:30 and just wait there until they open up. So that's what we about to do. Let's go get this trailer right quick, and I'm gonna catch y'all once we get done with that. Rolly. Okay. Alright, y'all, so picked up this Lowe. I mean, I didn't pick up the Lowe. We picked up this empty trailer. We just got done getting, well, we got done getting empty like 30 minutes ago. Did my drop and hook. Now I'm about to do my, get this paperwork out the way, head over to Columbia, Illinois, not too far from here, and pick up our next load, and we're gonna finish the vlog off there. So I'm gonna see y'all once we get over to Columbia, Illinois. It's rolling. To our pickup. We about to get live loaded here. I was reading a lot of reviews, and a lot of reviews saying that this place is quick unload, so it's about to be pretty cool. Get in, get out, hopefully get out of here about 9:30. Keep it moving, so let's go check in. I'm gonna come right back out and roll it. Vlog off right here. I just backed into the door, about to chalk my wheels right quick, and like, share, subscribe. Thank you for rolling with TB. Comment if you want to. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Rolly.